One.
And capsule touchdown. Welcome back. The newest astronauts, Audrey Powers, William Shatner, our customers, Glenn DeVries and Chris Boshausen. What a day for you. Welcome back. I cannot wait to talk. There's Audrey Powers, a big hug from her sister.
Captain Kirk himself, the great William Shatner.